Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Wadzpay. Wadzpay currently is in a limbo due to the reasons I'm going to be talking about. So it's going to be an interesting video. Watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, guys, do subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell for regular videos. And you guys can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out as well. Anyways, let us begin first and foremost with the price of Wadzpay at the time of the recording, guys. Let us check that out. So yeah, Wadzpay is down 4.27% for the day. The price is $0.02748 at the time of the recording. If you look at the 7-day chart, guys, it is down 17.40%. The monthly says that it is down 14.65%. The market cap is $13.89 million. So yeah, yearly. If you look at the yearly chart, it is up significantly. If you look at overall percentage gains, 260.06% gains in a year. It went all the way to 0.052. You remember I've talked about the Wadzpay Chain, AMA, and since that time, people were expecting that in Q4 2023, the Wadzpay chain will launch. They were not expecting without any proof. They had proof with the Wadzpay team, basically saying that the Wadzpay chain would be launching in Q4 of 2023, basically. So that didn't happen. So due to various reasons, like that the community now is speculating at these are all speculations at this time. Many are saying that, yeah, this is due to the VARA license. The Tier 1 exchange and the Wadzpay chain both are going to be launching when the VARA's overall full approval is going to happen, because the initial approval has happened and now this is not in the hands of Wadzpay team. This is in the hands of the regulators and all of that stuff. But there is another block, guys, another camp I've talked to. They say that no, Vara is not a reason for not launching the chain. They haven't completed it, and they might announce it somewhere in the next AMA. So the question goes, why is What's in a limbo at the moment? So the reason is, guys, Anish just announced that the Wadzpay team announced, Anish announced that basically they are going to be having an AMA, which is bound to happen on 13th February 2024, Tuesday, guys. So now it is almost 14 January, and there is almost a month to the EMA. So this is why I think the sell-off happened. In my opinion, the sell-off happened because there is still time. People think that after the AMA, the catalysts would arrive. Since that time, since there is time to that AMA, let's see. They do not have a clue what's going to be happening, what news they would be getting, and all of that stuff. A lot of people are saying that those selling are paper hands at the moment, and they are not waiting for the real catalysts, and the price is going to be booming before they even can get back in. So what do you guys think? Would it bounce back from this position now, or would it fall further? Many are saying, there are a few I've seen saying that it might go to 0.022 and then directly to zero. Directly it would go to its resistance 0.05 and then beyond to 0.08. Let me show you a clearer picture over here. So yeah, they're saying that it would basically break this resistance 0.051 and then go on and test out this resistance over here 0.084, 0.08. So there are a lot of different perspectives. There are different views in the market in terms of what's pay. Let's see what would happen in this AMA. Check this out. 2023 Year in Review and 2024 Roadmap. And this is by none other than founder and group CEO Anish Jain himself. Let us look at the comments over here, guys, what the people are saying at the moment. Let's see. Mark your calendars as we review our 2023 journey. learnings, experiences, and unveil our roadmap for the year 2024. Share your questions in the comments below. Guys, WTK Invest has been talking about Wadzpay since a very long time. So when he's saying that patience is important, but in February we should get something from you. So this is real. I've seen WTK Invest supporting the project since a very long time. So he's saying that can't delay things much longer unless we get a very good reason explained. Q4 targets were delayed, and then it should not be delayed longer than some weeks, in my opinion. When Tier 1 Exchange and Wadzpay Chain, let's see the comments here. My guess is that in the AMA, he will say the Tier 1 and Chain launch will be soon, and we'll know more at the next AMA in May. So this is sarcastic, and this is not good for Wadzpay. These are people who have been supporting the project. I've seen Otto as well, CryptoPete soon. So this is sarcasm at best. So people, I think, the patience is wearing off. This is why I'm saying that WhatsApp currently is in a limbo due to it is in oblivion because we've got 1 month until the next AMA. And at the moment, if we look at the price at the moment, we do not know where this thing would head and all of that. So this is the moment that nobody knows where this would go, what will be announced in the AMA, because people thought that Wadzpay Chain AMA is going to be announcing would be the announcement time. So people aren't expecting anymore as well. Let us see more comments here. I've got a question. Why has it not been possible for one single person at the Wadzpay team to update CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap about the tokenomics for a whole year? You see, I wrote them a year ago, and they claim they don't have the info from you. So let's see. Because this is CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko's job. They also said that about SHX, but they have been given the correct info. They just haven't bothered updating it. Okay, thanks. I'll write CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and MarketCap off again and ask them about the process because they're busy. Will be updated soon. As in, we didn't do the dishes, which takes about 15 to 20 minutes to do before air because we're busy anyways. So this was yet another question. Seems a bit late to push an AMA back for stuff that was set to happen in 2023 Q4. Some people are a bit upset and some investors are leaving because everything seems to be always upcoming and not coming out. So yeah, like I told you guys, there are the core What's investors are still in it. They're still supporting, but a bit of I think we can sense that patience is wearing off, and it is high time that Anish announces something huge in this AMA. To be very honest, if they are upset, just sell it and leave. Nobody's keeping them here. It takes time. If they don't have it, just leave. Crypto is nothing for them. I feel he's waiting until February because by that time this AMA will be all good news. To do it sooner while nothing is solidified would be pointless and frustrating for both sides. So yeah, a lot of people are saying that better late than than giving us a broken product and a broken launch and all of that stuff. So a lot of people are saying that. Another 4 weeks away, Anish, really? So that's soon, very soon. This soon is becoming a thing, in the community. I mean, and the next soon. Wow, can't wait to hear those beautiful answers about the future of WTK. For all of you complaining, patience will pay off in the long term. The team of What's is professional. There's no meme coin. Every move and decision they make is calculated. What are the comment? Dude, you're blind. They're literally sitting on their hands and haven't given anything. Time will tell. I personally like everything about this company, and good things sometime takes time. So yeah, like I told you guys, polarized views all over, guys. Times One of the best times to cover a project, release content. I really enjoy making stuff like this. Question to Anish, the WTK tokenomics. You can say again and again as 500 million, but I see at least 2 billion across 3 networks. Can you name WTK test wallet clearly as test wallet or make a dashboard showing the movement across exchanges? Not seen in projects with bridges, got same issues. On which wallet are Teams tokens 47.5 million x2? Where are reserves for future development? 50 million times 2. Consumer acquisition, 25 million times 2. New market entry, 25 million times 2. Pool for merchant incentives, 50 million times 2. All x2 because supply increases. If it is so, I'm not so sure. Guys, still people are confused about tokenomics. They have tried, I think, to in their perspective, they've tried to cover it, but still people are not satisfied. Still, there have been other instances as well that we have seen positivity. Like I saw this article over here. Indonesian Hajj pilgrims enjoy cashless blockchain payments with Wadzpay, and this is January 12th, 2024. A recent collaboration with Wadzpay blockchain payment provider and Indonesian BPKH is allowing Indonesian pilgrims undertaking Hajj and Umrah. Basically, BPKH is an agency, guys, that is basically associated with the government of Indonesia, and they're integrating Wadzpay into their infrastructure, the Hajj and Umrah pilgrim infrastructure. So yeah, there have been stuff going on. I mean, there are polarized views, polarized opinions. There have been positives, there have been negatives. A lot of stuff, guys, ongoing. This is a really good time to make content, like I told you guys. But I would like to hear your thoughts, your views on the upcoming AMA and all of these thoughts and opinions that we read about. So yeah, do hit the comment box below. I would like to hear them out, guys. So this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of these other coins, you guys can subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.